In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can stop being a business account on TikTok. With a business account on TikTok, you get access to things like the analytics as well with the creator account. But if you don't want things like that and you just want a regular TikTok account, what you want to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you will see 3 horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Tap on that. And then right at the top it says manage account. Tap on manage account. And now you simply want to select switch to personal account. So this option right there, switch to personal account, tap on that. And then this message will pop up. It says if you switch to a personal account, you won't be able to access the analytics, creator marketplace, and other creator tools. So if that's fine with you, just tap on switch back. Then you'll have a personal TikTok account without the analytics and without all those special features. And that is basically how you do it. So that is how you stop being a business account on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.